Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about The Marvelous Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. So he has written so beautifully about the power of your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind can energize your power in such a way that it can magnetize or demagnetize your subconscious mind. For example, if the magnet is fully charged and magnetized, it can lift a weight of 6 times of its weight. If it is demagnetized, even it cannot lift the feather. So is your subconscious mind. So if you energize or if you make your subconscious active so that you will have a success in your life. So if it is demagnetized or if the subconscious mind is not working or not properly used, so then you will see the failures, doubts and fear of fail. So friends, so you need to have a subconscious mind more. You need to use the subconscious mind in very effective manner so that even the failure can also be made as success, and whatever the streak you have in your life can be charged, energized, and you can lift in your life, and you can you can do whatever you can think in your mind. So nothing is impossible when you use the subconscious mind more effectively. The subconscious mind is so powerful that it can heal any disease or anything what you have without any medicine. So but you need to train your subconscious mind in such a way that it listen whatever you tell. So train your subconscious mind, and it has tremendous power in the subconscious mind. So use the subconscious mind more effectively and succeed in whatever you do. Thank you.